Dear TU Berlin alumni, welcome back to TU Berlin. My name is Jem Afshar and I'm the Scientific Coordinator of the Master of Space Engineering study program. Just like you, I studied at this university, and just like you, I have wonderful memories of this place. Except for writing exams, that was just awful. Anyway, we made an online survey about your favorite spots at TU Berlin, so have a walk with me on campus to refresh some of your memories. Let's go to the stage. I'm sure you've been in the Audimax, the main auditorium. You may have attended a lecture, an event, or taken an exam here. I can feel the history when I'm in this place. So many famous people were in this room. The Queen, Bill Gates, politicians, renowned scientists, and even astronauts to my pleasure. Have a look at the big screen. In February 1968, an historic event took place, the International Vietnam Congress. Thousands of people argued about imperialism and the Vietnam War. Look how crowded the room was. This event was also an important part of the student movement of the 60s. Through this event, students gained the courage to step up and express their opinion in an authoritarian academic environment. Let's move on to our next stop. We just left the Audimax and you can see the beautiful backside of the main building. Just a short walk away from the Mensa. I'm here with Rachan Reddy Mamidi, a space engineering graduate. Rachan, it's good to see you. What do you do currently?
Jem, it's great to see you too. I'm actually working with a company that builds satellites right here in Berlin. And I also started my podcast. It's called Those Space People. Do check it out.
Awesome. And can you tell us what is your best memory of TU Berlin?
Oh, there are so many, but my favorite is when I'm strolling down the corridor of the department and then reflecting on how the decades of the heritage of building all these satellites, which TU had built for a long time, how that trickles down to us, how all the knowledge trickles down to us during our hands-on sessions. So that's quite amazing for me.
Wonderful. Yeah, thank you very much for sharing this with us. It was great seeing you again on campus.
Likewise, Jem.
Okay, everyone. I hope you're not afraid of heights, because on our next stop, we will go up. Ah, what a sight. I can see almost the whole city from up here. And the buildings behind me are part of the TU Berlin campus. But where are we actually? Take a guess. We're on the rooftop of the physics building. And inside this dome is a telescope used for education. It's a refracting telescope with a focal length of 3 meters. So what does that tell you? It can achieve about 500 times magnification. It makes it possible to see the craters on the moon clearly. So now take a moment to enjoy the scenery. And then I will take you from the very top to the very bottom. I'm sure you have an idea where we are. So much knowledge in one place. The book stack of the library. Half of the library's print media is stored in these rooms, usually a place that you don't visit in this building. So have you ever wondered how a book that you want to borrow gets from down here into your hands up there? Let's have a look. This is the book conveyor system. A staff member gets the order, finds the right book, and places it on the machine. Then the book is automatically transported to the upper floors. Have a look at this one. There goes one. Oh, look what I found. It's a good one. And the topic matches with the place that we're about to visit. I should definitely renew my library card. I'm on my way to the Department of Aeronautics and Astronautics, and I love going through the math building. I'm here with Salma Kamis, a TU Berlin architecture alumna. Salma, I studied here, and this building always made a special impression on me. What connects you to this building?
Actually, I'm more connected to this building from the outside because I was a doctorate candidate at the Institute for Architecture. And from there, I was always looking to these prominent high-tech structures. I visited it only while visiting the cafeteria in the upper floor. This building actually reminds me always with the Centre Pompidou in Paris, also with its high-tech structures.
Thank you very much for sharing this. And by the way, a new math building is in the making. It will be right next to the library. On this screen, you can see a model on a picture. And the math building is the one on the left. Looks fancy.
Yeah, pretty.
Salma, it was a pleasure to see you.
Yeah, my pleasure too. Thank you.
Let me take you to my workplace. We're in the mission control room of the Department of Aeronautics and Astronautics. I've spent a lot of time studying and working in this building. TU Berlin has developed and operated 27 satellites till date. The satellites can, for example, observe forest fires and enhance communication in space. This research enables many applications that we can benefit from. Next to me, you can see 2 satellite mock-ups, and this is the original size. You can see features like the solar cells, the antennas, and the onboard electronics. Now let's see the satellites in action. A colleague of mine will turn off the lights for you in a second. Thank you very much. On this screen, you can see the live location of TU Berlin satellites in orbit. As soon as a satellite is in reach of the ground station on the rooftop of this building, the antennas automatically track the satellite and you can see its data on the screen. I'd love to tell you a lot more about the satellites, but for today, I'll simply let you enjoy a moment of satellite operations. I don't know about you, but I could use a coffee. Come join me. In the afternoon, you can always enjoy a cup of coffee in one of the most beautiful cafeterias of the TU campus. From here, you get a great view of the city and the campus Charlottenburg. We've been in the Audimax, outside the main building, the rooftop of the physics building, the library, the math building, and the Department of Aeronautics and Astronautics. It's been a pleasure to have you back on the TU campus. We will always be part of this university, so let's stay connected no matter where you are. You can engage with TU Berlin in many ways, so feel free to check out the alumni website and don't hesitate to get in touch. See you soon and stay safe.